Is Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies going to continue to crash, or are they going to go up? I don't know. I'm doing my analysis right now. This is what I'm seeing. First thing I look at is the CBBI. That's the Bitcoin Bull Run Index. It's at 41, which if you scroll down, does not really show me anything. This is for if it's over 90, then that's when I want to be getting out. And if it's under 20, that's when I will be getting in like heavy. So 41 doesn't really tell me much. Next thing I look at is the Pi Cycle Top Indicator. You could see that it popped off at the top, which could very well have been argued that this was the top for the entire market. It was not the all-time high for Bitcoin because this time right here was 64,000. This up here was 69. However, a lot of altcoins have not recovered since this top was given on the Pi Cycle Top Indicator. I was really hoping that this would come back up and we would get a second top, just like what happened in 2013, where we had this top right here and then this top right here after the price came down for a few months. So I was really hoping that would happen, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen, which is pretty bearish. Next up, we got the MVRVZ score. This one's super easy to read. If it's in the pink or the red, then that is an obvious sell. If it's in the green down here, that's an obvious buy. Weirdly enough, it never got to the red. It only got to this pink area right here, and it was there for a second, which was pretty much the top back in May, and then it crashed, but you can't really tell too much from here either. Next up, we got the R-HODL ratio. Very easy graph, just like the other one. Green is a buy, red is a sell. However, this is smack dab right in the middle, so once again, can't really use this for any information that's useful in my opinion. Next up, we got the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. What type of analysis would it be without the rainbow chart? Unfortunately, just like everything else so far, these indicators is right down in the middle, smack dab in the middle. It's right now in the still cheap zone. If this goes into the basically fire sale blue zone, that's an automatic buy. And if it goes into the orange or the red, that is an automatic sell. Weird how it didn't even reach there during this cycle. However, it did reach it on the last few cycles. So that is this chart. Once I look at those, I look at the fear and greed index. Right now it's at 12, which is in my automatic buy zone. So anything under 15, I usually say that's an automatic buy. Over 75, that is an automatic sell in most cases. And so this is the first, I guess you could say positive or buy signal that we've had so far. And then the last thing that I look at in terms of indicators that are not the actual charts are the funding rates, and they're all negative, which is a good thing. Hopefully we'll get a bounce. In the next update, I'm going to be going into the actual charts.